Ricky, why don't you show Lori some of your toys? Are there the animals in there? Let me see the animals. A man. Is that Superman? Show Lori Superman. Oh, cool. Where did you get that from? Barbara? Cool. Could you show Lori your tenda? Where's your tenda? Go ahead. Go inside. Whoa. Cuckoo. Show Lori how you play cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Want to play cuckoo with Lori?
Cuckoo.
Do you have some toys in there? Wow, is that your monster? Look at your little monster. Cool. Oh, you gonna go night night? Okay, night night. Say bye, Lori.
Bye.
Say bye, Dougie. Say good night. Say bye bye, Ani. Ricky, could you tell Lori how you say gabagool?
Gabagool. Gabagool.
Okay, say ciao.